Cathie Wood, the founder of ARK Invest, attributes her bold investment strategies to her deep Christian faith. She believes her convictions are divinely inspired, guiding her to invest in disruptive innovations. Wood often cites biblical principles as her moral compass in high-stakes finance. Her office features subtle faith symbols, blending spirituality with Wall Street pragmatism. This unique approach sets her apart in the competitive world of investment management. Wood's faith fuels her conviction that disruptive technologies like AI, genomics, and blockchain will reshape civilization. She interprets technological progress as fulfilling a divine mandate for human flourishing. ARK's research compares innovation cycles to biblical parables of growth and harvest. This perspective led her to early investments in Tesla and CRISPR, years before mainstream adoption. A framed Jeremiah 29:11 plaque hangs in ARK's analysis room, reminding her team of their long-term mission. In 2014, Wood launched ARK Invest, ARK symbolizing both Noah's vessel and active research knowledge. The firm's Genesis Fund was named intentionally, blending financial genesis with spiritual beginnings. Early whiteboard sketches showed Bible verses alongside exponential growth curves. Wood recruited analysts who shared her dual passion for innovation and faith principles. ARK's open-source research model mirrored her belief in casting bread upon waters, from Ecclesiastes 11:1. When Wood invested heavily in Tesla during its 2018 crisis, analysts called it reckless. Her $4,000 price target seemed delusional, until it wasn't. She later revealed praying for clarity before doubling ARK's position. This conviction stemmed from her belief that Tesla's mission aligned with scriptural stewardship of creation. The trade became legendary, with Tesla rising 1,200% over 5 years. Wood still keeps an Elon Musk tweet printout with the caption "Godspeed" in her portfolio. During ARK's 2021-22 downturn, critics mocked Wood as a cult leader. While hedge funds shorted her ETFs, she emailed staff Psalm 37:7 about waiting patiently. Her research team published 50-page rebuttals, maintaining their 5-year projections. Wood framed Volatility as biblical testing by fire for convictions. This period revealed her distinction. Where Wall Street saw risk, she saw divinely ordained timing. CNBC clips show her serene amid financial tornadoes. ARK disrupts traditional finance by publishing all research in real time, a practice Wood calls financial discipleship. Employees begin meetings with prayer emails seeking wisdom. Their innovation webinars cite both Moore's Law and Proverbs about knowledge. This radical openness stems from Wood's belief that light drives out darkness in markets. Even competitors admire how ARK's model democratizes information, though some call it faith over fundamentals. When the Fed's 2022 rate hikes crushed growth stocks, Wood preached resilience to investors. She distributed ARK-branded journals with verses about perseverance, Romans 5:3-4. Her team highlighted how biblical famines preceded abundance cycles. This spiritual framing helped clients weather 60% portfolio drops. Behind the scenes, Wood increased positions, telling analysts, "Joseph stored during 7 lean years, we're doing the same." By 2023, many ARK holdings rebounded sharply, validating Wood's patience. Her flagship fund outperformed 92% of competitors after the trough. At a Miami conference, she quoted Galatians 6:9 about not growing weary in doing good. Critics quieted as genomics and AI positions surged. Wood framed it as a lesson in divine timing. Man's quarters are not God's fiscal years. ARK's resurrection became a Wall Street parable about conviction. Wood channels 20% of ARK's profits into faith-based initiatives, including prison reform and clean water projects. She partners with organizations like Faith Driven Investor, arguing that true ROI is redeemed lives. Her scholarship program at Liberty University trains Christian financiers. This holistic approach reflects her interpretation of the parable of the talents. wealth as a stewardship tool rather than an end. Wood's ultimate metric isn't Sharpe ratios, but eternal impact. She envisions ARK-seeding technologies that alleviate suffering, seeing innovation as participating in God's redemptive work. Her will stipulates that future ARK dividends fund translational Bible projects. In closing interviews, Wood reflects, "The first investor was God, breathing life into chaos. We're just co-investors in creation." The screen fades to ARK's logo, subtly shaped like Noah's Ark.